Okay guys, here's the giveaway. We started today and we finish in 10 days, announce the winner then. To join the competition, you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, screenshot it, send us on Facebook or Instagram, and also send us a picture of your car. If you win, you only pay £400 instead of £850, so it's half a price. We only charge you for materials not labeled. Do the label free, and we also choose the color. So remember that. We'll make sure the car is unique and the color is completely unique. The winner who won the competition unfortunately could not follow any of the rules, so that messed other people around. So do not join this competition if you can't afford that. You will also stay with our car for 3 days to give us time to do the job. So please, if you can't follow the rules, do not join this competition. And good luck to everyone. I hope I see you guys in 10 days and I will announce the winner then. I'll see you soon.